Alright, here we are, Canadian Junkyard. Okay, pro tip here.
So we're back. We're back we're gonna try to make
fixing Cram with Ava and Hudson.
fixing random crap with the builder buddies. So we're gonna try to put this together today, and it's gonna be a lot of work. Okay, guys, let's get to it. We'll be back in a few. Hi, we're back. My other assistant just left for work, and this is my other one, my boss. So we have it done, and we're gonna do the test. Okay? Okay, there we go. Hi. So we're gonna do the test. My golf clubs are right there, and there's my assistant in the box, and the golf cart.
There's the new golf cart. So we thought we'd take a minute to show how this thing goes together. It came in this box. It needed some very minor assembly. So first off, the wheels come separate. You just have to push those on. You have to put them on with quite a bit of force, and you'll hear a click. That puts them on. And this thing comes off like that and goes down. This piece needed to go on. This has a little twister. So you can adjust this to the height that's going to work best for the golf bag that you had. And this is my main reason for filming the video. I wanted to just demonstrate, just show how these work, if it was going to work for these US Kids golf bags, because we got a few different ones here. So this here, you got to pull that out. We'll adjust those straps, but we'll just try to see how well this fits. Sometimes these guys, a lot of the kids' golf bags have the stand on it, which sometimes is problematic on these carts. But if you just put it down gently, that looks pretty good actually. It's not bad. So we will adjust these. So it fits pretty well. It'll need to be tightened up a little bit there. Let's try this one. Also needs to be tightened up a bit. So we'll need to adjust those, but we'll do that, and then we'll have Ava do a test run.
Yeah.
All right, stop. Okay, Ava's going to demonstrate taking this thing apart. I want to make sure she can do it all on her own. Go for it. Unclip that. That comes off, so you set down your golf bag. And now you're going to fold up the golf cart so it can go in the car.
Yeah.
How are we going to do that? First thing you have to watch is this little thing. Yep. Pull up, a little higher, a little higher, a little higher, a little higher. There it is. That's the spot. Pull that up. Pull, 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 pull. A little tough, eh? So what you should do is put your foot down here maybe, and then pull up like that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put it back together, and then you try it. Okay, good. Just to hold it a bit. Pull up on that piece. Pull straight up. There, you got it. Nice. Then it folds. Put your foot there again, yeah. It's a little tricky, eh, when you're small. There you go. You did it. Amazing.
I'm not that small.
No, it's true, yeah. You did really good. So yeah, there you go. And then it just goes in the car like that.
Hey, you got it dirty.
Oh, I got dirty? Oh, sorry. Okay, anyway, so pretty pleased with this. There is another golf bag here I kind of want to try. This is her brother's bag, which is a little bit smaller. This is Hudson's bag. I think this one will probably fit as well. It's a little bit small for this one.
Daddy.
For the 42, this is the 42-inch bag. This one, hers is taller. There's also a bag that's smaller than this one. This is not the smallest set. There's a real small one that doesn't have a stand on it. That one I think would be too small for this cart. because this is as low as this thing goes. Like the only real adjustment is from here to here. Like this can be up a little bit higher, but not much. That's as low as that thing goes. So yeah, get your T's in there. Nice. That's cool. Now, that one might be too big to fit. I don't know. Anyway, so I would recommend this cart for, you know, the bag. I wouldn't say much smaller than this one. And I know these bags are popular. So that bag is I wouldn't put anything much smaller on it than that. That one's a little bit too small. I mean, I think it'll still work if we strap it on. It's just that the top edge of the bag is going to be below that piece there.
Let's see if it got
Anyway, other than that, it looks pretty good. Maybe we'll test it out on the golf course, get a clip from out there, and then call this one reviewed.